Listen to this.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. Fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh.
I created these tracks in minutes using MusicGPT, which can create full songs, instrumentals, and beats from simple prompts. So in this tutorial, I'll show you 4 different types of tracks you can generate using MusicGPT and the exact prompt formulas you need to use. You'll find links to all the resources and the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's jump straight into testing. First up, we'll generate instrumental beats. In the prompt box, I'll type lo-fi hip-hop beat with warm nostalgic mood, soft piano, vinyl crackle, slight swing. My prompt not just describes a genre, but also adds emotion and human-like imperfections such as slight swing. You can modify my prompt based on this formula. Now hit Generate. Within a few minutes, you'll get 2 versions. Pick the one that fits your style. I'm picking this. It sounds smooth, relaxed, and surprisingly natural. Next, let's generate a full instrumental track. We'll go with an emotional R&B style. Hit the prompt box and type this. Emotional R&B track with soft female vocals, mellow electric piano, light swing drums, nostalgic late-night mood. This prompt adds human elements for natural outputs. You can modify my prompt based on this formula. And here's the output. It really feels nostalgic, and the vocal texture blends smoothly with the instrumentals. Now let's move to full song generation. I'll create an indie ballad for this part. In the prompt box, type this. As you can see, the prompt is detailed with human elements to make the song sounds breathy, like an analog recording. To get similar results, you can adjust your prompt based on this formula. Now generate it and listen closely.
Your coat still hangs by the door, like you might come back for more.
The vocals sound more expressive, and the overall track feels less synthetic. Finally, let's talk about pricing. MusicGPT offers a free plan with 500 credits. Each song costs 100 credits, so you can generate up to 5 songs. However, the free plan does not include commercial rights. To unlock full features, you need the Pro plan, which costs $22 per month and gives you 25,000 credits. Overall, MusicGPT is a solid tool if you want to generate music that sounds less like AI and more like human-made tracks. It gives you strong control over prompts, which helps you shape emotion, structure, and style in a more natural way. So, try out MusicGPT using the prompt formulas in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.